Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a little tip for the Task Manager. If you are using the Task Manager to go and see the process, what's running, what's taking a lot of memory, or what's taking more CPU cycles, whatever you are looking at, and maybe at some point there's a one of the process that you want to actually shut down. Now, when you are following process usage by either CPU or RAM memory usage or so on, of course, you'll have a list that is always changing on the left side. Now, if you decide that, you want to stop one of the processes or end task, well, chasing the task when the task manager is changing so fast might seem to be a little complicated. Now, of course, you have the choice that you could put the process by name by clicking at the top, but then you'll have to find the process and remember which one was maybe using too much CPU. So instead, there's a very simple trick. If you are using, you're looking by CPU memory or so on, and that it's changing all the time, if you want to make it easy to end a task, hold the control key on your keyboard. And as you see here, it freezes the task manager. Now you can, of course, go and choose which one you want and end task, and it's going to work. So it's simple as that, much easier to follow and stop a task. Remember, the magic key is once you get into your task manager and say you want to, I'm going to look at the memory here, and I'm going to look at the ones that I want to follow. So here it doesn't change too much. CPU is a better example as it's changing all the time. Simply hold the control key. It's your key that will freeze the task manager. Then you can easily go and end whatever task you want. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.